is when we want to throw the light super far with a super punchy panel. And speaking of the super punchy panel, where we have the Nova 2 series for versatility, full color, Blair CG, soft light, high output, bare bulb, high output. If you really need even more punch, if you need to throw the light super far away, and you need something that is incredibly tight, tighter than the reflector from most point source lights, then you're going to want to go with the Blair Nova 9 degree. So the Nova 9 degree we have right here is also part of the Nova family. We just introduced it today. And you can see the light throwing super far away, just like with the parallel beam adapter. In fact, you can see that they are not too far off in terms of the amount of punch that they can give out of the Nova 9 degree panel. The Nova 9 degree is built on the same type of chassis as the Nova 2 2x1. And it uses our Blair technology, just like in the XT52, to get you incredible daylight spectrum, as well as deep red that we have from the Nova 2 as well, in a 2x1 form factor that is still relatively durable, lightweight, and has all the same features, including IP65. Now, the benefit of this guy, because it is such a tight beam angle panel, is that you can throw light very far away. At about 15 meters, you still have a crazy amount of output. At 30 meters, you still have a crazy amount of output. And because of this Blair, that means you still get full color controls throughout most of the HSIC range as well. And of course, as a 2x1, this shares all the same accessories as the Nova 2 2x1. So I can take the same diffuser. I can also throw it onto the Nova 2, the Nova 9 degree as well. So it locks into place. Same light fixture, same accessories. So you have a full family of lights. The Nova 9 degree 2x1 Blair, and it has the same color temperature range across all these three panels. That's right. Even though this is a Blair fixture, just like the XT52, it has an 1800 Kelvin to 20,000 Kelvin color temperature range, just like the Nova 9, 2x1. So you're going to be able to match all these panels together. So that is the Nova family. This is going to work really well in a 3-light bracket or on its own. This is going to work really well for small studios and run-and-gun sets. And if you need the most punch, you need the most light output through diffuse light, then you have the Nova 2 2x1. Thanks for coming to IBC.